Bamboo, your index fund gateway. Investing can seem scary, especially for beginners, but it doesn't have to be. Index funds offer a simple way to grow your money, and Bamboo makes investing in index funds easy and accessible for everyone. This guide will walk you through every step of the way. You'll learn how to start investing with Bamboo, even if you're a complete beginner. Index funds are like baskets of stocks. They track specific markets, making them a diversified investment option. With Bamboo, you can own a piece of these baskets. You can start investing with small amounts of money. This guide will help you start your investment journey with confidence. You'll learn how to use the Bamboo app. You'll discover how to choose the right index funds for you, and you'll understand how to monitor your investments over time. Let's get started. First, download the Bamboo app. You can find it on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, install the app on your phone. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. You will need to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Bamboo operates under strict security and regulatory guidelines. You'll need to complete a quick verification process called Know Your Customer, or KYC. KYC helps protect you and your investments. You'll need to upload a photo ID and a proof of address. Once your account is verified, you can add money to your Bamboo wallet. You can link your bank account or debit card. Bamboo offers various payment options to make funding convenient. Index funds are like baskets of different stocks. They follow specific market indexes. For example, an S&P 500 index fund invests in the 500 largest U.S. companies. This diversification helps reduce risk. Bamboo offers a variety of index funds to choose from. You can browse by category, risk level, or popularity. Each index fund has a fact sheet. This sheet provides important information. It tells you what the fund invests in, shows you its historical performance, and outlines the fees involved. Once you've found an index fund you like, you can buy shares. You don't need a lot of money to get started. Bamboo allows you to buy fractional shares. This means you can own a portion of a share. Start small and invest regularly to grow your portfolio over time. Section 4. Keeping a weather eye on your investments. The Bamboo app makes it really easy to keep track of your investments. You can view your portfolio at any time. Your portfolio shows your holdings. It also shows how much you've invested, and it displays your overall returns. You can track the performance of each index fund in your portfolio. You'll see how much your investments have grown or shrunk. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't panic if the market goes down. Section 5. Charting your course to financial success. Investing in index funds with Bamboo is a great way to grow your wealth over time. Here are a few tips for success. Start small and gradually increase your investments. Consistency is key. Invest regularly to benefit from the power of compounding. Think long-term. Don't try to time the market. And finally, diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of different index funds. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. With Bamboo, you can start building a brighter financial future today.